Is your name on the SEC filing for the corporation as CEO or member of the board of directors? Are you a majority shareholder? Are you a member of the C-suite to include CEO, COO, or CFO specifically? If you cannot answer yes to at least one of those three questions, then measuring results for your job at your organization will be defined by someone other than you. Let's make peace with that. Let's embrace it and get our mind laser focused on what the company has defined as success, as meeting the company expected results. If a company forecasts that their earnings per share will be $2.32 per year and their revenue will be $42 billion for the year, Wall Street shareholders and the C-suite, the board of directors, the majority shareholders will be locked in on whether or not that company meets the expectation. At the end of the day, not much will ever come before these two things, revenue and earnings per share, with a publicly traded company, as they will cease to exist if in fact they are unable to deliver over an extended period of time. Being able to identify those metrics of success and how your job function on your current job contributes will determine your success on the job. As discussed in our well-being podcast series, it will also have an impact on your emotional well-being and your mental health. While none of us know for sure what caused the former CFO of Bed Bath & Beyond to commit suicide, it's been widely speculated the stress of the results contributed to the demise of his mental health. May he rest in peace. In this episode, I'm going to give you some hacks to help you measure success, but I'm going to implore you not to let this define you or take over your life. You are not what you do. You are not your title. Number one, let's start with finding the broad measures of success for the company. If you've already started the job or you're looking to change organizations or positions, an incredible place to start is the company's 10K if they're publicly traded, or annual report if they're privately held and they provide this type of information. You want as much higher level understanding of the success metrics as possible for your organization. Number two, depending on what level you are within the organization, you simply have to ask your direct supervisor, what are the three most important priorities, tasks, projects, objectives, results that I must deliver on to be successful? That is absolutely everything. Or you might be doing unnecessary work that gets you a below expectations on your evaluation and possibly fired for working very hard but not getting results. Alignment on what success looks like is paramount. Number three, take those priorities that you just got from your boss, place them on a sheet of paper or a spreadsheet, and then list the timeline to deliver. And if it's reoccurring, jot that down along with the date to deliver. Number four, on that same sheet, list resources that you will need to complete the task, the project. That could be software programs, people, tools, other departments, you name it. Number five, rate each resource red, yellow, green. If you feel comfortable with the resource, it should be green. Or if you need improvement or help from your boss with that resource or relationship, you'll mark it red. Number six, on that same sheet, break down the specifics to get to the end result. For example, if you have to move a pallet of bleach, something I had to do in my former life, but let's say you had to move a pallet of bleach 100 feet. Step A might be draw out the path to get to the end 100 feet destination timely and safely. Step B might be you will need to verify there are no obstructions on the path desired. Step C, verify the use of a pallet jack or an electric pallet jack will be used based upon the weight. Step D, who will move the pallet and do they have the necessary experience to complete the 100-foot move? Step E, coordinate the schedules of everyone that'll be impacted and needed to complete the 100-foot move of the pallet of bleach. Step F, on the day of the move, verify the contents and snap a few pictures before you actually move. Step G, move the pallet and document each step for a detailed recap for your boss. In the comments of this video, let us know if you want us to do more of a deep dive on documenting a project from start to finish to present a recap to your supervisor. This can feel like artwork, but there is an exact science to it. And for your bonus hack, check your incentives to be sure they are aligned with the work that you are doing day to day. Get every bonus dollar available to you. Be sure your boss knows you want that bonus and that you're focused on it, and their help is welcomed. So that's your 6 steps to measuring success and cashing in when you win with bonuses. And if you don't have incentives on your job, be sure to log in your brag notes. Place it in your interview portfolio, because that recordation of success will be invaluable in securing your next promotion or change in organization, and an incredible differentiator for leverage in the negotiation process. Until next time, I love you.